teachers, for a moment. Bwana Ruben, perhaps you could speak to the issue of this. Do we have enough trained teachers for CBC? And we understand there's retooling going on. Could you talk to us about just what sort of skills are required of the teachers?
Thank you. Thank you so much, Madam Yvonne. I want to say that when we started the competency-based teacher training from 2018, we have been doing training of teachers on a continuous basis. I want to say that training of teachers is not a one-off aspect, as it has been said. It is continuous. We do either a 5 days training, and our curriculum support officers who are at the zonal level visit the schools within the zone to continue offering more professional support to the teachers so that they can be able to teach and be able to even and demonstrate what is required to the learners. So this is an exercise that is ongoing. It is not a one-off exercise. Number two, the teachers are already trained to teach. Competence-based curriculum is basically a methodology on learner-centered approach. And teachers, from their pre-service training, they went through that. So what we are doing now is retooling them and telling them, yes, the new curriculum designs that have been developed by KICD, then they are supposed to be handled this way. We are talking about core competencies. How do the teachers develop the core competencies? So we are looking at the new method of teaching, or what we are calling the pedagogical content knowledge. How a teacher impacts that to the learners. Those are the kind of issues that are coming on board. And also the new way of assessing. Because now we have different aspects of assessments that have come on board. So the teachers are being retooled in those areas so that they can be able to deliver as expected. Finally, there is the question of values. The question of the community service learning, the question of the pertinent and the contemporary issues that are affecting the society. These are new aspects that have come in the curriculum, and the teachers are being retooled in order to be able to deliver.
All right.
And as I've indicated, it is a continuum.